Hi my ethical angels, welcome back to Be Beauty Ethical. If you're new here, my name is Archana and I help you ease into the cruelty-free beauty world one step at a time. So if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing and also hit that notifications button and keep all your notifications on because there are a lot of videos that I have in line for you, be it product reviews, makeup tutorials, information on cruelty-free brands, DIYs. A lot of videos are actually waiting for you. So make sure you don't miss any of those videos by hitting the bell icon and then clicking on all notifications. And now without any further ado, let's get right into this video. This video is about these 4 products that I got from Pilgrim. I recently had a video saying that Pilgrim is 100% cruelty free and vegan Indian skincare and hair care brand. Not only is it 100% cruelty free and vegan, it is also a non-toxic brand. It uses natural ingredients mostly and it avoids the 20 most harmful chemicals which are generally found in a lot of cosmetics that we find in the market today. So Pilgrim does not use those 20 most harmful chemicals and it also does not use parabens, sulfates. You will not find this in their products. And what I instantly loved about the brand is that they have a list of ingredients. There is complete clarity of what is going into each product, and they have also given the list of those 20 harmful chemicals on their website. I will link their website down in the description box so you can check it out. And after knowing so many good things about this Indian skincare and hair care brand, I just could not wait to get my hands on their products. So these are the 4 products that I got from Pilgrim. The brand is Indian, formulations are Korean but made in India, and the products are quite affordable and are suitable for both men and women for all skin and hair types. Let's talk about each of these products. So the first product that we're talking about today is the Pilgrim Volcanic Lava Ash Body Scrub with Yugdugu and White Lotus. I like how Yugdugu sounds. So this is the packaging. I love how they've packaged, and this is how it is inside. They have a little spatula inside so that you can scoop the product out and not touch the product with your fingers, because that is sometimes the cause of a lot of... Ooh, wow. I can't wait to use this. It smells heavenly. It smells heavenly. So this, let me just read the ingredients out aloud for you. So this has sucrose, coconut oil, sesame oil, emulsifying wax, stearic acid, hydrolyzed soybean, soda bicarbonate, Yugdugu extract, white lotus extract, volcanic lava ash, sodium gluconate, phenoxyethanol, benzene methanol, and perfume. That means some fragrance. I really love the smell of this. It is a little bit strong, but it's very pleasant. So if you are somebody who has issues with fragrance, you might want to check it out before you buy, but I just love this fragrance. The body scrub deep cleans your pores, it detoxes and brightens your skin. The volcanic lava ash exfoliates and it also promotes skin cell regeneration. Yugdugu reduces pigmentation while white lotus improves skin elasticity, leaving it fresh, bright and rejuvenated. Let me just show you the texture of the scrub. This is how it's very fine. There are no harsh granules inside, so I'm really excited to use this. I do have a little bit of pigmentation issues, so I'm definitely going to try this scrub, and if I see some good results, I am going to definitely put it on my Instagram story. So follow me on Instagram if you aren't already doing that. And let's move on to the next product. Next up we have the Pilgrim Shea and Cocoa Body Butter with White Lotus. So again, the packaging is really nice. I like the color combination that they have used. And this is the bottle. Again, they have a spatula with it so that you can just scoop out the product and use it. And they have this to keep the product in place and not fall into the cap. Let me just... Oh, wow. Oh my god, this also smells like the scrub itself. Let me just scoop out. this fragrance is heavenly. So let me just put a little bit on the back of my hand and just rub it a little. Wow, this fragrance is amazing. This is really moisturizing, guys. Wow, look at that. Look at the shine. Winters are coming and I think this is a must-have for you. The fragrance is amazing, the texture is really nice, and this body butter I think is going to be a lifesaver during winters, especially if you are living in dry areas. Do check out this product. I will link it down below as I said earlier. And let's move on to the next product. Oh, let me just read the ingredients before we move on. So ingredients are aqua, almond oil, olive oil, sesame oil, hydrolyzed soybean, shea butter, cocoa butter, stearic acid, emulsifying wax, disodium EDTA, sodium gluconate, phenoxyethanol, benzene methanol, white lotus extract, and perfume. This body butter is enriched with vitamin and antioxidant rich white lotus extracts. It melts straight into your skin, locking the natural moisture while nourishing its radiance. So this, I really love this one. It is slightly thick, so if you are in a humid kind of an environment right now during rainy season, just test it out before you use it and step out. But this is definitely for people who are in dry areas. Do try it out. This I think is a must-have given the fragrance, the texture, the amount of moisture that it is providing. The fragrance is just heavenly. I know I've said it 3 times, but it is really amazing. So the next product is this toner. This is how it looks. This alcohol-free ultra fine hydrating mist and toner combines witch hazel, camellia and white lotus to help soothe, purify and refresh tired skin. This is a quick fresh boost for any time during the day. So the ingredients in this are aqua, polysorbate 20, glycerin, almond oil, disodium EDTA, camellia extract, witch hazel extract, white lotus extract and perfume. So let me just smell this a little bit. Let me just put this on right now and see how it is. Again, the same fragrance. I'm just loving this fragrance, and this does make you feel fresh instantly. I am sweating a little bit because it's pretty hot. There is no fan, there is no AC. The instant this toner touched my face, I instantly felt very fresh. And what I love the most about this brand is the ingredients sometimes which you're not sure whether it is animal based or plant based. They've clearly mentioned on their website whether it is plant based or not, so that you are 100% sure that these products are 100% vegan and there are no ingredients whatsoever which are extracted from animals. So if you want to really check out the ingredients in detail, you can definitely go to their website and there will be a list of ingredients for each product, and they have mentioned for each product where it has come from, whether it is plant-based or not. And the last product that we have here today is this vitamin C serum, and this comes with a dropper like this. After applying, little difficult to open it after applying the body butter on the hands, and this comes with a dropper, and this is the consistency of the serum, which can really get absorbed into your skin well with this kind of consistency. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Almond oil, olive oil, gold peptide, sesame oil, magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, which is vitamin C, sodium hyaluronate, which is hyaluronic acid, tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E, white lotus extract, sodium gluconate, benzene methanol and perfume. Let me just smell this and see how it smells. Ow. Definitely don't do that. I don't know where to apply so that I can smell this without. It has a very mild fragrance in the same family as all the products that we've seen till now. This definitely has a very mild fragrance according to me, and this is a night serum which has hyaluronic acid and white lotus extract. So this is definitely something that will give a hydration boost to your skin while you're sleeping. So these were all the products that I had for you today from Pilgrim India, and I'm super impressed by this brand so far because it's not only cruelty free, 100% vegan, no harsh chemicals, and it has mostly natural ingredients, and the fragrances are heavenly. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give a thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Keep all your notifications on and wait for the videos which are coming up, and I will see you again very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.